All right, guys, we are here in Hyannis, Mass. And yeah, this is part 2. I got a little Porsche right there. Sweet little Jeep from 415s, 4 SSA Evils. Needs a little more power in my opinion, but yeah, I think it's getting down pretty good. Let's see here. We got see what's inside, man. These are the 12s, right? 13s, okay. W713s. SUV 2K on each one. Does real good. Does some good numbers on that. All right, going on. Some guys running NVX. I don't know. Let's see. Can't see in this guy. I don't know. Got a Contralto 12. Wonder who we bought that from, huh? Looks like maybe a 15. I don't know. Let's see. Going around Keith's Chevy pickup here. Got a blow through with I think 2 15s or 4 15s or something like that. Some DC 15s and Ohio Gen alternator on there. Let's see, Jeep got here. Got a pair of Redline 15s, I believe, and a very similar setup in a very similar Jeep over here. Got this 2-door Blazer here. What's up we got here? Dyer Brahmas. A Dyer Audio? A Dyer Audio Brahmas, guys. Those are pretty much unheard of. Soundstream Rubicon. A little power acoustic. Let's see what Nick's doing. It is stupid. What does he got for subs in here? 2 ethos. DSS ESOs.
He's going from a Ampere 3800.
We're gonna wire to 8 ohm and we're gonna burp a 26 hertz cycle. Going for 29 today.
Holy shit, guys. Alright, what do we got? Rockford P3s on Mega Loud. Alright. Interesting. And some 4.5 coaxes. Don't know what's in here. Got my car with 8 6.5s. Don't know what's in here. Got a couple of stickers though. And Keith's Jeep. 2 T3 Audio TSNS 18s doing 164s-ish. And Mike's T3 van got same T3 TSNS subs, but would say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 today instead of 9. Does 166 plus. Got some nice doors in there. And 53 batteries in the whole van. And let's see here. Ampere 5K on, I don't know, I can't see what's in there. But he does good numbers. TC here.
All of mine were secure.
4 kicker L7s on 3,000 watts, he said. Let's see, Escalade here. Some Soundcube on 2 Soundcube amps. What up, Mike? Let's see what's in here. What up, Steve?
Hey, what's going on, man?
It's a
Look at that port, hey.
I'm looking at the
Yeah.
One push pull type.
No, I think this is like a high school woodshop port design.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's different.
Yeah, but the coil thing does make
rounded.
it.
Well, the rounded, the flared edges is always good.
But the coil thing does make a difference.
The only thing I would suggest though, I like the rounded pot, but get rid of this.
Yeah.
Sand
Extra
that
lip.
down so it's flat. Yeah. It's only air, but it's still.
Alrighty, guys. I think that's it. And Nick's got a Jeep. I think he's got it hidden out back. So yeah, that's part 2, guys.